and we're up at Solitude Ski Resort today, and I'm here with some of our destination experts. We've got Scott Angus, Laura Moeller, and Jamie Bangeter, and we're so excited to ride today because it's the perfect bluebird day. Woo!
Baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven our place.
This is Ryan up at Solitude today. Today's a perfect ski day. As you can see, you got clear blue skies, about 50 degrees out. Can't ask much better than that. And Solitude is always like this. They call it Solitude for a reason. Minimal people, nice runs.
Hey, so Laura, we just did Apex. How was that?
Awesome. 9 inches of fresh snow. It's amazing. Bluebird Day. We haven't had one of these days in, seems like forever. Woo! Love it. Love it. Let's ski some more.
Heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven our place on earth.
When you see what you need, well, just start up. You gotta put your hands together, put your hands together, put your hands. Also, when you see what you need, well, just start up.
Hey Jamie, how was that run?
It was a little slow for me, but it's my first flat.
Woo! Look at that. Gorgeous.
Hands started, foot check, hands foot check, hands foot check, hands foot check, hands started, foot check, hands foot check, hands foot check, hands foot check, hands started, foot check, hands foot check, hands foot check, hands foot check, hands started.
Baby, do you know?
All right, I'm here with Laura, one of our destination experts at Mountain Reservations. And Laura, how many ski resorts? Where have you been this season?
Oh my gosh. I try to get out as much as I can. Skied Snowmass yesterday. We were at Solitude today. Living in Utah, I've hit up Park City, Deer Valley, the Canyons, and Alta this season. And also did a fantastic cat skiing trip in Keystone. Took some turns in Vail. And it just, and also had a wonderful bachelorette weekend in Steamboat.
Woo! Oh my gosh, that seriously is amazing.
For anything, give me a call.
All right, we've got Brandon here from Solitude Mountain Resort. Brandon, why are you in a tie when we're up on the slopes? What's up with that?
Well, I left the industry down in the valley so I wouldn't wear a tie, but every once in a while, like 3 times a year, I have to wear a tie.
Well,
Dress for success.
even on the mountain.
Yeah.
Okay, Ryan. Okay, so we've had a beautiful morning this morning. I want to hear about that fall you had.
Almost landed it. I'll say almost as in almost didn't get hurt. Maybe I will get a helmet now.
That's what I think. I think it's time for a helmet for sure. All right.
Brain buckets are good.
Brain buckets are good. Good day at Solitude. Doesn't get any better than this.
Yes. Thanks.
Yeah.
Woo!